increased endurance, a developed sense of balance, increased calorie burn. These are just a few of the benefits of elliptical training. In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you do the elliptical workout every day for 30 minutes. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. What is an elliptical cross trainer? The elliptical trainer, often called the Orbitrack, is one of the most popular cardio equipment in fitness centers. It is also a great choice for home workouts. What makes this simulator so popular? The elliptical trainer is safer than an ordinary treadmill, more effective than a stepper or an exercise bike. During the elliptical workout, mainly the leg muscles are involved. The elliptical trainer can be classified as a wide-spectrum cardio exercise machine. With the right approach, the maximum number of muscles in your body is used, but at the same time, the harmful effects on the joints are eliminated. The elliptical trainer spares your ligaments and joints. It loads the body to the fullest, but at the same time remains a compact sports unit that can easily fit in the corner of your room. What are the benefits of elliptical machine workouts? Elliptical cross-trainer benefits. Elliptical trainer increases stamina. When you do cardio, your heart and lungs have to work harder to provide your muscles with more blood and oxygen. The elliptical trainer allows you to get a good aerobic workout that can strengthen your heart, lungs, and muscles. This in turn will help increase your stamina. On the Orbitrack, you can perform both high-intensity interval and simple cardio workouts. On the elliptical trainer, you can burn a lot of calories. If you're looking for a way to increase your calorie burn in a short amount of time, try the elliptical trainer. Depending on your weight and the given load, the Orbitrack will help you burn from 250 to 400 kilocalories in 30 minutes. But for this, of course, you need to work hard. Burning more calories than you consume will help you lose weight. The elliptical trainer reduces stress on the joints. When the elliptical trainer appeared the fitness centers in the 1990s, runners with sore joints and overtraining rejoiced at the thought that they could train their cardiovascular system while reducing stress on their joints. Knees, ankles, hips, and other joints can suffer when running or doing other cardio exercises. Since your feet never leave the pedals on the elliptical, this machine offers low-impact cardio training. The elliptic trainer trains both the upper and lower body. The elliptic trainer is one of the few cardio machines that can provide both upper and lower body trainings. The key to maximum upper body benefit is an even distribution of weight and resistance. In other words, move your arms as fast as you move your legs. Done right, the elliptic trainer can target your glutes, hamstrings, quads, chest, back, biceps, triceps, and core muscles. With the help of an elliptic trainer, you can influence certain muscles of the legs. On the elliptic trainer, you can change both the resistance level and the inclination of the pedals. In this way, you will be able to target a variety of lower body muscles, including the quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves. As you increase the incline, you may feel a burning sensation in the hamstring muscles. If you lower the pedals, you will feel your quads burning. The elliptic trainer improves the sense of balance. If you stand up straight and release the handles of the machine, you can engage your core muscles and work on your balance. Just make sure the resistance and incline are set to an acceptable level so you can safely use the elliptical without holding on to the handlebars. The elliptic trainer helps to keep fit after an injury. If you're treating an injury and can't do your regular exercise routines, elliptical training can be a great way to improve or maintain your fitness. These exercises significantly reduce the load on the joints compared to training such as running or jumping. Training on an elliptical trainer after an injury can help you regain full range of motion. It will also strengthen your muscles and joints, taking pressure off the injured area. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.